So before we get into today's video, we wanted to share with you a little bit about why we started making fashion videos for women over 40. So we both enjoy watching YouTube, and I love to watch lots of fashion videos and lookbooks, and there are some incredible women out there making fashion videos for women over 40. But one of the things that I started to notice was most of these women seem to have very similar body types, which is very thin and very fit. And a lot of them look like retired models who are tall and slender, and they would show me these beautiful fashions, and I would think to myself, of course that looks good on you. You're 5'10" and 110 pounds. A garbage bag would be flattering on that body. But what about the rest of us?
And we have very different body types. We have our own insecurities. I know that for myself, it's more of my lower body.
And for me, it's definitely more upper body.
And it's not like we sat down one day and said, ooh, this is a great idea. Let's start a YouTube channel and put all of our insecurities out on display for everyone to see.
We're crazy.
Yeah. Instead, we really felt like, you know what, there's got to be other moms just like us who are looking for tips and tricks and fashion ideas and everyday outfit ideas to help them dress their own bodies. And on a very personal level, you know, for me, I had gained 40 pounds. Kelly actually saw me gain 40 pounds due to health issues. And maybe for you, you know, after having children, you might have gained some weight or seen your body change. And, you know, she saw me deal with some frustration. I mean, you know, shoes weren't, you know, fitting the same, you know, not being able to wear my wedding ring because of the weight gain. And also trying to style a body that I just wasn't used to styling. You know, the insecurities that I had before changed when my body had changed. So, you know, it's not about, you know, being the perfect weight and deciding that you're gonna make yourself a priority in life. You really want to accept and embrace the body that you have today and start styling and dressing yourself so you feel confident today. So today's video is gonna be 5 styling tips on insecurities if you have like hips and thighs. This is my area of expertise. Kelly's got great hips and thighs.
I'll be back with mine next time.
So today's video is going to be about styling and dressing a body type if you have insecurities with hips and thighs. And we hope that you find these tips helpful and useful and continue watching our videos and our series on dressing different body types. Tip number 1, accentuate a smaller waist with a front tuck top. By tucking only the front piece, the back and sides of the shirt can gently skim the hips while highlighting the slimmer waistline. Adding a belt can also help to create an hourglass shape. Leaving the shirt untucked and loose has the opposite effect and creates bulk all over the body, making you look bigger all over.
Tip number 2, wear darker colors on your lower body to help minimize these areas. A darker wash denim or pant is ideal for this body type because, of course, darker colors make areas look smaller. If you are self-conscious about the size of your hips and thighs, then you may want to avoid light wash denim or white bottoms.
Tip number 3. Now this tip is particularly helpful if you do want to wear light denim or white jeans or pants. Wearing a long, thin cardigan that softly drapes over your problem areas can create a long, streamlined look and still allow you to wear the light colors you love. Avoid bulky fabrics and opt for thin cardigans that lay nicely against the body. They look very stylish while also being very functional and will make you feel slim and confident.
Tip number 4. Choose tops that have patterns, bright colors, or embellished details at the neckline. This will draw the eye up to the smaller part of your body.
Tip number 5. Scarves, statement necklaces, and earrings also draw attention upward toward the upper body and face and take attention away from the areas you may be self-conscious about.
We hope these tips really help you to feel your best in the skin that you're in. Remember that fashion is all about proportion and dressing to your body type. Don't worry about your flaws. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and makes the most out of your body. And remember that there's nothing sexier than confidence and a smile.
And if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And we'd love to have you leave a comment below and let us know what are your favorite ways to hide some of your insecurities. And we will see you next week. Bye.